Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to go to Underwood Family Farm. Mary and my mom have been there a couple times. Me and my dad have not been there, but my mom and Mary really like it. So today we decided to go as a family. Everyone's in the car already. They're waiting for me to lock up the doors and head out. So let's go.
Come on, let's go. So wear your seatbelt.
Right here!
Buckle up. Alright guys, so we're also gonna go to a local bakery since we are on Lent, and we're gonna go get some vegan friendly food so we can eat at the farm as well. Okay guys, so we got the food and now we're on our way to the farm. Okay guys, so we're finally here. Mary's getting out the car. We're gonna go.
Out of the car.
Oh, you are? Okay.
I'm closing the car now.
Oh, okay, I see. We're gonna go get.
Hold on.
Mom, what are we getting? Okay, we're gonna go get a little wagon that they have to put everything in, and then we're gonna go do all the activities. Here are all the attractions. We're right there. So we're gonna go find a wagon first. It's very cute. I like it. Oh, look at the little tricycles. They're so cute. look at the carriage. Mary, where are we going first?
We're going to that playground.
Okay, let's go. Come on.
And then we're gonna go to the train. They actually have a real moving train.
Yeah? Mary, look at the horse in the carriage.
Look at the horse.
It's so cute.
Can we go to the horse in the carriage?
Yes. Do you want to go say hi to it?
Can we go to the playground?
Yeah, let's go.
Because it'll pass some time. You can actually ride on the horse.
Huh?
Yes, it'll pass some time.
Okay, let's go then. Okay, so change of plans. We're doing the horse-drawn wagon ride first, and then we're gonna go to the playground that Mary wanted to go to. They're so cute.
You're like ding, 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 ding.
Look at the dog.
It's a farmer's dog.
It's so cute.
German Shepherd, beautiful dog.
Oh my god, this is so cute.
This stuff doesn't have dogs. Look, there it is.
They're little cows. Oh my gosh. Mary, are you excited?
Yeah, really excited.
We're going. Huh?
Mary, look at all the Easter decorations.
Lifetime chance to
Go dog or
Tina, get her! It's right here. Stop shouting at me.
Canele. you ka?
Yeah.
The P-zone.
Oh, nice.
Incha?
It's a cow.
Cow?
Highlander cow.
Incha?
Nice.
Oh, Scottish Highland.
Are these goats? They look like goats.
Oh, they're so cute.
Baby. No, these are big ones.
Oh my God, Mom. Look. Hello. Hello, go in, Mary. Thank you. Mary, look at it. It's so cute.
Cricket likes it. It likes it. Oh! Looks like it. Is this a place since it has horns?
We're gonna go wash our hands
Oh,
over
the
there, okay? Let's go.
Oh, so Brooklyn and Lini Mary. No, me vegan. What's one from Brooklyn and Lini? That's so cute.
No, this way, this way.
Make that noise! It sounds like a person! Hi, alpacas!
They're cute, huh?
Where are they?
They're right there. Do you see that one laying down?
Oh my god!
And then there's one in the cage, I think. They're so big.
Look, there's one laying down in the back too. One in the
They're called Flemish giant rabbits.
because they are big. They are giant.
Isn't that many? They're dumb?
Aviary. You know what an aviary is?
What is that?
We've been learning it in music. It's a place where the birds, all of the birds are.
Oh, aviary, hissa.
Yeah, aviary. It's so cute. Hi, little guy. Not little. Hi, cute guy.
That one's definitely a rooster.
This one.
Hey, big guy. Look at the noise it's making.
Wait. Why is it walking like
Oh
that?
my God, it's coming towards us.
Wait, what did it
Here, move, there, move, everywhere, move, chick, chick, here, and a chick, chick.
Okay. Good luck. Pop? This is just funny. I like your hat.
Thank you.
I thought he was a carriage.
Did you like it?
Yeah.
Okay.
I got something for you.
Wow. I can add this to my rock collection.
Yeah, that's why.
Let me see. What are they?
That's why I bought it.
Oh wow, they're so pretty. They're perfect for your collection.
Yep.
I love you.
Can I open it?
Good job.
That was so fun.
It was fun. Apres. That looks so funny.
Let's go pick our own vegetables.
Guys, we got a tractor all to ourselves. Here we go. Okay, so now we're at the pick your own area where you can pick different greens and vegetables, right? Yeah, you can pick your own vegetables, and we're gonna go ahead and do that. Okay, Mary's gonna get some cilantro. Look, there's
Can I have a bag?
turnips, a lot of stuff, green onions, kohlrabi, a lot of stuff.
Oh, the carrot. Look at the carrot.
Grab some, Mary.
Brooklyn will love it. What is this carrot?
Brooklyn will eat it. It's for Brooklyn. Oh my god, they're so cute. Wow, good job, Mom. We're all doing some farming today. Mary, how you doing? Let me see. Oh, cool.
These vegetables look so weird.
Okay, I think I want to get more green onions. I'm gonna go ahead and do that.
That broccoli. It's broccoli. My favorite. Sweetie, can we get broccoli?
Yeah, we're gonna try and look for it.
It's young broccoli. Look. I think ito la broccoli.
So pretty.
Chimana, ay silang kalaki na. Silang siya tamoven.
Mom, Papa, not the chicken.
We came to another part.
Oh!
Good job!
Yeah,
How you doing, Mary?
I'm doing good, but I can't find anything.
She has a lot in her bag. I don't even have that much.
I found two. I found two.
Good job. Apres.
I found another one too.
Mary.
We're sitting on this train ride thing. It's kind of so we got the bees one because we wanted to be next to each other so we could both be on the ride. So the cow one, it was only one.
Okay. Yeah, the cow one was only one, and then this is two people, so we're gonna sit in this one. Off we go, Mary.
Yeah.
Horses. Look at the horses, Mary. I think we gotta wait for them before we go. And we're going. These are raspberries. They'll be ready in July.
So we'll come back in July to pick the raspberries.
Yeah, exactly. I really like that pink little house right there.
For all these, what we paid $20. And now we're in the market.
That's right. There you go. I like your way of thinking.
Okay, so Mary and I went on that ride, and now we're coming out to meet Mom and Dad so we can go back home.
Like a rainbow. It's spinning in the air round and round. Yay, 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 yay. You have to hold on to it really tight if it's really windy.
Careful.
Luna! Luna, we're home! Hi, Luna! Hi, Poo-Poosh! I'm coming, I'm coming! I'm coming! Oh.
We left her at 12 and now it's at least 4.
Come here, girl! Come on! Hi! Oh my god! I know, we left you alone. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Come here, Poo-Poosh. Ari. Uren! Uren, mamaing! She's sniffing to see where we've been. She does this every time. Luna, where were we? Did we go to the park? Not park. The farm? Did we go to the farm? Do you want to come with us next time? So yeah, everyone's getting this stuff out of the trunk. I came here to calm Luna down because she heard our voices. But yeah, we had a lot of fun at the farm. There were a lot of fun activities and cool animals to see. So yeah, and then we'll show you guys the stuff that we got. And all of the like pick-me vegetables that we got, we'll show you guys that as well. They have like a lot of different things too. There are raspberries that are gonna be ready in July. They had oranges, but I don't think you could pick them yet. And there were also like lemon trees and stuff. And then in the very front, there was the market that my mom and dad got like a couple more vegetables from. So yeah, let's go check out and see what they got and what we have. So we kind of set everything up to show you guys, and it's kind of a lot. So come back for part 2. Make sure you subscribe, like this video. Come back for part 2 so you guys can see all the things that we got at Underwood Family Farm. Bye guys.